Individuals enrolling through a designated link can take advantage of a 20% discount and receive 10% cashback on trading fees. This incentive serves as a motivational factor for new users to create an account. Moreover, the significance of identity verification cannot be overstated. This process entails the submission of personal details alongside a government-issued identification. Such measures are imperative for ensuring account security and adherence to regulatory standards. In addition, utilizing the Binance mobile application for identity verification is highly advisable, primarily due to its user-friendly interface and accelerated processes. The capability to scan a QR code greatly facilitates the upload and subsequent verification of identification. Additionally, purchasing cryptocurrency on Binance is most efficient when using a credit card. Users can specify their desired purchase amount while selecting from various cryptocurrencies, with USDT particularly recommended for its straightforward exchange process. Furthermore, establishing two-factor authentication, 2FA, is critical for bolstering account security on the Binance platform. Users are tasked with managing their security settings and conducting verification using a Google Authenticator application. Lastly, after successfully creating their account and acquiring cryptocurrency, users should prioritize ongoing security through established protocols.